Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to walk you through how you can create your own email campaigns with HTML using AI. Anyone can easily do this. I'll then share how to take this email campaign and send it via Gmail to your recipients, just like this example I have here. Essentially, this tutorial is for those that want to send stunning email campaigns to their recipients. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is actually build our email campaign with HTML using AI. And you can use a free or paid AI model like Gemini or ChatGPT. For the purpose of today's tutorial, I'm going to be using Gemini. Once you open up a new Gemini chat, simply add a prompt that looks like this. Then hit expand. Okay, so this is the email campaign, the prompt that I want to add. You can find this prompt structure down below in the description of this video, and then you can customize it the way that you like. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out. Please create a visual email campaign code that I can embed and send via Gmail. At the top, please embed this YouTube video linked below. And as you can see, I've added a link to the specific YouTube video. So this is an email campaign promoting a video that I created. Use a sleek professional layout and dark style for the campaign design. Please add a clickable purple button with the text. Watch the full video at the bottom of the campaign that links to this video. Again, I've linked the video down here. The body of the email will include the following, and this is the text body of the email, and you can add the text that you like. Also, if we navigate up here, you can see I've described the style of my campaign. Again, you want to customize this. If you want to add another button, a video, or even an image, you can do that. Okay, once you've created your campaign, navigate down to submit. And then Gemini or ChatGPT will take your prompt and start coding your email campaign. And as you can see, my campaign has been created. I like the video thumbnail up here. This is the video link. If the user clicks on this, that's going to take them to the YouTube video. The recipient can also read the email and then click here to see the full video. I'm happy with this style and design. Now you can also navigate over here and you can add additional prompts to further customize your email campaign the way that you like. For me, I'm happy with this campaign. So I'm going to navigate over to code and then copy this entire code by clicking here and dragging the cursor all the way down to the bottom. Command C on Apple. You can also right click and copy this code, then jump over to your Gmail inbox. Hey guys, just quickly before we get back to this video, I just want to mention my Sheetify CRM, an all-in-one business toolkit and CRM built with Google Sheets and designed for Google users. You can simply manage leads, customers, tasks, engage in email marketing, manage your inventory, tickets, and more. The great part is I've made this Sheetify CRM a one-time payment, no subscriptions, unlimited access, and future updates. If you're interested in learning more, you can find the link to my Sheetify CRM down below in the description. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and get back to this video. Here I am inside Gmail. What I'm going to do is click here. This is above my email signature, and add placeholder text. This could be anything. I'm going to add a bunch of 9s, then highlight this, right click, and navigate down to inspect. That's going to bring up Google Developer Tools on the right hand side. Then we need to locate these digits that we added, this placeholder text, then right click and click on edit as HTML. Then we want to simply replace the placeholder text that we added. In my case, that was these 6 9s, delete, and then paste in the code that we created with AI. Then click out of here. Then all we need to do is close Developer Tools. And here we have our email campaign. Have a look at that. That looks stunning and amazing. I'm happy with that email campaign. I can also delete my email signature if I like. Okay, so let's test this out. I'm going to add a subject and then add recipients to test out this email campaign to see what it looks like from a recipient's inbox. Okay, let's go ahead and send this new email campaign. And here I've opened up the email as an email recipient. As you can see, it's stunning and responsive. If I click here, that's going to take me to the YouTube video. If we close out of this and then navigate down and click on this button, that again is going to take me to the YouTube video. And that is how you can quickly create visually engaging email campaigns using HTML and built with AI. If you have any questions about this process, make sure to pop them down below. However, that is it for this video. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.